Optimized targeting finds the right audiences for you by incorporating things like customer interests, the landing page on your website, and creative elements, all to reach high-performing segments. Optimized targeting reaches audiences you may not have considered targeting. It adapts to performance. For example, it may add and target keywords to those that you've manually selected and that perform well. And it may stop focusing on keywords that don't perform. You don't need to make additional changes to your brand safety settings when using optimized targeting because it adheres to existing brand safety settings. You can also add signals like audience segments, demographics, and other targeting types to optimize targeting. These can influence the optimized targeting model. Custom segments also work well with optimized targeting. If you want to stick to your existing audiences, you can also turn off optimized targeting. Google Ads will then run the campaign based on the targeting you've provided. Optimized targeting is on by default. You can turn it off if you decide not to use it. Learn more by visiting our Help Center.